11th Science Chapter 4 Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure Part 3 Factors Affecting the Strength of Ionic Bond.
Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notifications. Today we will discuss about the factors affecting the formation and strength of ionic bond. The following are the factors which affects the strength and formation of ionic bond. Factors affecting the formation and strength of ionic bond. The very first factor which affects the formation of ionic bond is ionization enthalpy. Students, as you already know, ionic bond is an electrostatic force acting between cation and anion. More readily the cations and anions will be formed, more stronger will be the force of attraction between them. Ionization enthalpy is the tendency of an atom to lose electron and form cations. So we can say that lesser is or lower is, any word you can use, lesser is or lower is the ionization enthalpy, more easily cation is formed and hence stronger is the ionic bond. Next factor is electron gain enthalpy. This is one of the very important factor for the formation of anions. More readily the electron is pulled by the atom. It will release more energy and as a result more readily an anion will be formed. So we can say that higher is the value of electron gain enthalpy, more is the energy released and hence readily is the anion formed. So if the anion is going to be formed readily, so more readily it is going to get attracted by the cation and stronger will be the ionic bond formed. The third factor which affects the ionic bond is size of the ion. Smaller is the size of the ion, shorter is the internuclear distance between the atom, and hence greater is the force of attraction between them, leading to formation of stronger ionic bond. So you can say smaller is the size of ion, greater is the force of attraction between them and hence stronger is the ionic bond formed. So I'll just recapitulate. Lower is the ionization enthalpy, more readily is the cation formed and stronger is the ionic bond. Higher is the electron gain enthalpy, more is the energy released and hence readily is the anion formed. Smaller is the size of the ion, greater is the force of attraction between the ions due to shorter internuclear distance and hence stronger is the ionic bond formed. The fourth factor which affects the formation of the ionic bond is the charge on the cation. Fourth factor, charge on cation. So if the magnitude of charge is large on the cation, it will attract strongly the anion towards itself, and hence stronger will be the ionic bond formed. So we can say larger is the magnitude of positive charge on cation, stronger is the ionic bond. And the last factor is lattice energy, or you can also call it as lattice enthalpy. First of all, students, we have to define this word lattice energy or lattice enthalpy. The amount of energy required to break 1 mole of ionic solid into its constituent ions is known as lattice energy or lattice enthalpy. Now you know that if I represent ionic solid as AB, A is a cation, B is an anion, and when a strong force of attraction is between them, the state of this is solid. Now to break this into its constituent ions, that is A plus and B minus, for breaking we have to provide energy to them, and when you break they are in their gaseous states. So when you break you have to provide energy, and that energy is called as lattice enthalpy. Now when a reverse process is being followed, A plus B, when they combine together they will form AB solid, and the lattice enthalpy will be released. Now higher is the value of lattice enthalpy, more stronger is the ionic bond. If you have to give more energy to break the bond, that means the bond is very stronger. So we can say higher is the lattice enthalpy or lattice energy, stronger is the ionic bond. So basically there are 5 factors affecting the strength of ionic bond: ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, size of the ion, magnitude of charge on cation, and lattice enthalpy.